Hello again, it's Lock Noob, and here, well, we have a Yale Superior. I think this is the, let's count them, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. I think it might be the 7-pin variant. And this was actually taken off a friend's front door. I had to change a lock for them. And I said, hey, here's another lock, but can I keep the old one? And they said, yes, I could. And I just thought to myself, I wonder how good this lock is. Now, I've picked these before, but they do vary. And I just thought, you know what? I'm going to give this one a bit of a shot. So we are in the vise, and here is the key. Let's just check I haven't trapped anything. No, works nice and smoothly. Okay, so a little probe here. This is a slider track, and I think there are 3 slider positions. One here, one there, and one here. You've got 7 pins. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. These are the cuts in the key. And you can see that it's almost alternating medium to deep, medium to deep, medium to high and high. So yeah, 7 pins there, I think. And yeah, it's not bad bitting, it's just not the best either. So we've got some very long key pins in 2 and 4, and then 6 and 7 here, very, very short key pins, for example. I probably won't gut this one. I already picked and gutted one of these on my channel. This is more about, you know, how good is my friend's Yale Superior that isn't in their door anymore. So, you know, we'd raise that. But anyway, nothing on 1, nothing on 2. Is that 3 binding? No. Nothing on 4. 5, 6, pin 7 at the back feels like it's binding. Yeah, just hit 7, just another little click. And 6 there, okay. Anything on 1? Nothing on 2. 3's binding here, I think. Four, 5, 6, 7. Okay, just release some of that tension. Anything on pin 1 here? Little click. Anything on 2? No. 3. Ooh, I felt something, but might have overset 3, so just releasing tension there. 5. A little click. 6, 7. Okay. Back to the front. This is pin 1. Feels like it's binding. Little click. 2, 3, 5 there. Little click. I got out of that. Back to the front again. Nothing on 1. Little click on 2. Tiny click. 3, nothing. 4, nothing. 5. No. 6. Oof, that's deep. Am I getting it though? Am I slipping off the top? Let's go back to the front, try again. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, little click. 6, much better. There we go. Back to, so got a click out 6. And now 1. That's good. Little click. So I mean, what's like a bit of a false set, but it's not giving me a lot of feedback. So I'm just going to go through gently pin by pin now. Anything on 1? No. Anything on 2 feels set. 3 feels good. 4. Oh, into now. What I can see is a very deep falset. Now, I don't think that's spools. I think we're now resting on these sliders. And if we're lucky, we should be able to slide this probe in. It's moved it along a bit. Then jiggle it. And we're open. There we go. We have this fully open now. So, tricky enough, I'd say. It certainly would slow you down unless you had a specific pick for one of these locks. Which you can have, but you know, if you're just using hand tools like this, they are, you know, relatively tricky. They're a reasonable challenge, an intermediate pick, certainly good fun. And yeah, so Yale 1 star. It's not too bad. It wasn't a bad lock. All right, but there you go. Yeah, I'm not going to gut this one because I've already picked at least one of these on my channel. Don't want to bore you with a long gutting. So if you want to know what pins are inside one of these, then you can do. But yeah, these are a real pain to get off these little clips. That's why I'm reticent to do it, because you've got to remove these to then be able to pull this out, and these are just nasty to get off, really are horrible, and there isn't a way to get the circlips off easily if you don't. So yeah, I'm just not going to do it today, sorry. But there you go, that's my friend's old front door lock picked. Reasonable, that's what I think of it. Anyway, if you like that video, leave a like. If you haven't subscribed, now's a great time to do so. Hit that notification button as well for more content like this. If you think I deserve it, it all really helps my channel out, so I really appreciate it. If you have any comments about this lock, do you like these? Do you not like these? Do you rate them? Do you not? Please leave them your comments below. I do read them all and reply to as many as I can, as difficult as that can be sometimes. And of course, stay safe, happy picking, and I'll see you all next time.